Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to create Gmail account from mobile. So to create a Gmail account from your mobile, just follow the steps. First thing you're gonna do is open up your Gmail app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or the Play Store. Now I have here already the Gmail app. Now, click on the Create Account button located below the Sign In button. Enter if it's for you or you have to manage your business. Now, enter your first name and your surname. Then, click Next. Now, enter your basic information. Enter your birthday and your gender. Now, you can choose a Gmail address. You should pick a Gmail address or you can create your own. Now, create a strong password. You should mix it with letters and numbers and symbols. Now, you can also add your phone number. You can also skip or you can follow all the steps. Now, you can review your account info and you can use the email address to sign in later. Now, just read the privacy and terms and just click agree. Now, it's already done. Your Gmail account is now created and ready to use in your mobile device. So that's it. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!